Biography of Serena Williams. Chapter 1. Early Life and Family. Serena Jamaica Williams was born on September 26, 1981, in Saginaw, Michigan, USA. She was raised in Compton, California, by her parents, Richard and Oracene Williams. Serena's father, Richard, had no formal tennis training but was determined to make his daughters, Serena and her sister Venus, successful tennis players. He spent hours coaching them, teaching them the fundamentals of the sport from a very young age. Serena was introduced to tennis when she was just 3 years old. Her father began teaching her and Venus on public courts in Compton, where the conditions were not ideal. Despite this, Serena showed early promise and developed a strong passion for the sport. Her sister Venus was also talented, and together they became a force to be reckoned with in the tennis world. Serena's family played an important role in her early development, not just in tennis, but also in life. Her parents instilled in her the values of hard work, discipline, and resilience. Serena's upbringing, combined with her natural talent, set the foundation for her future success in tennis. Chapter 2. Rising Star. Serena's tennis skills became apparent as a young child, and by the time she was 10, she was already winning junior tournaments. Serena's family moved to Florida, where she attended the Rick Mackey Tennis Academy. It was there that her potential began to shine even brighter. Under the guidance of coach Rick Mackey, Serena's game became more polished, and she began competing at a higher level. At the age of 14, Serena Williams turned professional. Her breakthrough came in 1999 when she won her first Grand Slam title at the U.S. Open. She defeated the defending champion, Martina Hingis, in straight sets. This victory put Serena on the map as a serious contender in women's tennis. Her aggressive playing style, combined with her powerful serve and athleticism, set her apart from many of her competitors. Serena's success in the late 1990s and early 2000s established her as a rising star in the tennis world. Her fierce determination and natural talent made her a force to be reckoned with, and her future in tennis looked incredibly bright. Chapter 3. Dominance in Tennis. Serena Williams' rise to the top of women's tennis came quickly. By 2002, she had won her first major singles title at the French Open. In 2003, she achieved one of her biggest milestones by winning the Serena Slam. And this remarkable achievement meant that she held all 4 Grand Slam titles: the Australian Open, the French Open, Wimbledon, and the U.S. Open. Simultaneously, Serena's dominance in the sport continued throughout the 2000s. She won her first Wimbledon title in 2002 and repeated the feat in 2003. By 2007, Serena had already become one of the most successful female tennis players in history. Her powerful serve, speed, and mental toughness made her an intimidating opponent on the court. In addition to her physical talent, Serena's mindset was a key factor in her success. She became known for her competitive spirit and mental toughness, often battling through injuries and tough situations to win matches. Her relentless determination and ability to focus during high-pressure situations helped her dominate the sport for many years. Chapter 4. The Rivalry with Venus Williams. Serena's relationship with her sister Venus Williams is one of the most famous sibling rivalries in sports history. The Williams sisters first faced each other in professional tennis in 1998, and their matches became a regular part of tennis culture. Their rivalry was a mix of fierce competition and sibling love, with both sisters pushing each other to be better. Throughout their careers, Serena and Venus faced each other in numerous Grand Slam finals. Serena won many of their encounters, but Venus also had her share of victories. The most memorable moments in their rivalry came at Wimbledon, where they met multiple times in the final, including in 2003 and 2008. Despite their competitive battles on the court, the Williams sisters have always had a close relationship off the court. They often support each other, and their bond as family has played an important role in their success. Their rivalry helped to elevate the level of tennis in the women's game and inspired many young players to take up the sport. Chapter 5. Overcoming Injuries and Setbacks. Throughout her career, Serena Williams faced several injuries that threatened to derail her success. One of the biggest challenges came in 2011 when she suffered from a series of health problems, including a blood clot in her lung. This forced her to take time off from tennis, and many wondered if she would be able to return to her previous level of performance. Despite these setbacks, Serena made a remarkable comeback. She returned to the court in 2012 and won her 5th Wimbledon title. She also claimed gold in the London Olympics that year, cementing her status as one of the greatest athletes in the world. Serena's ability to bounce back from injuries and adversity is a testament to her resilience and determination. Over the years, Serena's ability to overcome obstacles, both on and off the court, has made her a symbol of strength and perseverance. Her mental toughness and unwavering belief in herself have played a crucial role in her continued success. Chapter 6. The 2017 Australian Open and Family Life. In 2017, Serena Williams achieved one of the greatest accomplishments of her career when she won the Australian Open while pregnant. At the time, she was in the early stages of her pregnancy, but she didn't let that stop her from winning her 23rd Grand Slam title, breaking the record for the most Grand Slam singles titles in the Open era. This victory was a historic achievement and solidified Serena's legacy as one of the greatest tennis players of all time. In September 2017, Serena gave birth to her daughter, Alexis Olympia Ohanian Jr. Serena's life changed dramatically as she embraced motherhood. While the transition was challenging, Serena balanced her family life with her tennis career. Her daughter became an important source of inspiration for Serena, and she often spoke about the joy and strength she derived from being a mother. Serena's ability to return to tennis after giving birth and win more titles showed her incredible drive and resilience. She became an inspiration to women everywhere, showing that it was possible to balance motherhood and a demanding career. Chapter 7. Breaking Records and Achievements. Serena Williams has broken numerous records throughout her career. As of 2021, she has won 23 Grand Slam singles titles, more than any other player in the Open era. She has also won 14 Grand Slam doubles titles and 4 Olympic gold medals, making her one of the most decorated athletes in history. In addition to her Grand Slam successes, Serena has been ranked world #1 in singles multiple times, and she has held the top spot for more than 300 weeks, the most by any player in the Open era. Her achievements in tennis have made her a global icon and one of the most influential athletes of all time. Serena's impact on tennis extends beyond her on-court achievements. She has helped to elevate the women's game, making it more popular and competitive. Her dominance on the court and her powerful presence off the court have inspired countless players, both male and female, to follow in her footsteps. Chapter 8. Life Beyond Tennis, Business and Advocacy. Serena Williams is not just a tennis player. She is also an entrepreneur, activist, and philanthropist. She has launched her own fashion line, Serena, which focuses on empowering women through fashion. Serena has also invested in various businesses and startups, using her platform to promote diversity and inclusion in the business world. In addition to her business ventures, Serena is an advocate for social justice. She has spoken out on issues such as racial inequality, gender equality, and women's empowerment. Serena has used her fame and influence to support causes close to her heart, including education and health initiatives for underserved communities. Serena's ability to balance her career in tennis with her advocacy and business ventures shows her versatility and commitment to making a positive impact on the world. Chapter 9. Mentoring the Next Generation. Serena Williams has always been passionate about helping the next generation of tennis players. She has mentored young players, both on and off the court, offering guidance and support as they navigate their careers. Serena's experience as a top athlete and her knowledge of the sport have made her a valuable mentor to aspiring tennis players. Through her foundation, the Serena Williams Fund, she has supported various initiatives aimed at empowering young people, especially girls. Serena believes in the power of sports to change lives and has worked to create opportunities for underprivileged youth. Serena's mentorship and advocacy for young people have made her a role model for countless individuals around the world. She has inspired many young athletes, especially young girls of color, to pursue their dreams and never give up. Chapter 10. Legacy and Influence. Serena Williams' legacy is one of greatness. She is widely regarded as one of the best tennis players of all time, and her influence extends far beyond the sport. Serena's strength, determination, and resilience have inspired millions of people around the world. She has broken barriers for women in sports and has shown that anything is possible with hard work and dedication. Serena's impact on tennis, business, and social issues has made her a global icon. She has redefined what it means to be a female athlete, breaking records and setting new standards of excellence. Her story is one of overcoming adversity, breaking barriers, and empowering others to reach their full potential. Serena Williams will always be remembered as one of the greatest athletes of all time. Her legacy continues to inspire the next generation of players, and her influence on the world will be felt for many years to come.